Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to online session by Little Scholars Public School. As we have started our geography's chapter, Importance of Oceans. In the previous video, we have learned food we get from the ocean and climate and planetary winds. In this video, we are going to learn about oceans and resources and issues related to the ocean. First of all, oceans and resources. Children, we have seen earlier that we obtained salt, fish, shells and other products from the ocean. As you know, children, we are getting salt from the ocean, fishes also and shells also. The things we are getting from the ocean and the minerals we get from the ocean are lead, like iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floor. These important minerals we get from the ocean. We also get mineral oil and natural gas from the ocean. We get precious items like pearls, corals and ornament items like shells. These are the pearls, corals, ornamental things like the shells and also the medicinal plants from the sea. These kinds of medicinal plants are used in various kinds of pharmaceuticals or medicines. Oceanic transport. Oceans have provided us the most economic option of transportation. Large scale of transport of goods is carried out with the help of ships, trawlers, boats, etc. Kinds of big ships are useful to carry a big amount of goods from one place to another. Also, we can go to the other countries also. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterways. Countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have good coastline. Due to this good coastline, these countries have gained importance. They are having a good coastline, that way the transportation goes easy and also in large scale they can transport to the another countries. That way the countries like the Spain, Norway, Japan, they are having gained importance. Ocean currents are quite important in water transport. These kinds of ocean currents which are also very important in transportation. As far as possible, water transport is carried out along ocean currents. Due to this, they accelerate the speed of ships anyhow and also save fuel to considerable extent. If they want to go far away and can travel by 2 days, 3 days, 4 days anyhow, due to these currents they can accelerate the ship and also due to the speed also they can save fuel. Water transport is conducted on much higher scale as compared to other modes of transport. Hence, in the comparison of other modes of transport, water transport is much higher scale. Hence, for transport of bulky materials like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic minerals, food grains, etc., water transport is given first preference. Now we are going to learn about the issues related to oceans. Children, as you know that about 70.8% of the surface of the earth is occupied by the water. Here you can see the different kinds of oceans are given: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are the world oceans by which the earth surface near about 70.8% is occupied by the water. In order to fulfill his requirements, man undertakes many activities. Man uses this water for its own purposes. These lead to the production of huge amount of different types of waste. These waste materials cause pollution. Whatever things they are using for themselves, that way it causes pollution. Pollution of oceanic waters is a major and serious issue that has developed in recent times. This kind of pollution is made by the man in the oceans. Oil spills, you can see in the textbooks figure 6.9, that is the oil spills, releasing the waste product produced in the coastal cities into the seas. Oil spill like this. During mining the oil, the kind of oil also comes out from the seas, and that way this type of oil spill can be spread in the ocean. Also, the releasing the waste produced in the coastal cities into the seas. Material thrown out from the ships. While traveling by the ships, whatever things they are using, the persons, they are throwing whole material in the ship. Exploitative fishing, in big amount of fishing nowadays they are doing, because due to the fishes also it is used in various types of pharmaceuticals also, for eating purposes also. That way in the big amount of fishing is going on. Cutting of mangrove forest in coastal areas. The tropical trees which are found in coastal swamps, these kinds of mangrove forests are cutting down by the man in the coastal areas. Disaster caused by the water mines like this. The mining, while during the mining these kinds of disasters also can be happen, so that way pollution causes more and more. Sewage released by the industries and cities. This is a figure 6.10. Sewage by the industries, by the factories, whatever the sewage is coming, that also they are sending or releasing in the seas. Excavation carried out in the seas. All the things listed above lead to a large scale pollution. The oceanic waters, pollution of oceanic waters. Some coastal regions are proving to be death traps of aquatic animals. These kinds of aquatic animals, due to this kind of pollution, are going to be dead. As a result, many aquatic animals are under threat of being extinct. Extinct means they will be no more if this kind of pollution will be as it is in the future also. That way, the blue whale is one of the great aquatic animal is going to be extinct. We cannot see this in future. We will be not see in the future. Also, some types of dolphins which can be seen in the oceans, and types of sea turtles also. These kinds of animals, aquatic animals, are going to be extinct. Always remember, children, the proportion of water being greater than that of land. The earth is known as water planet. Water in any form is a boon for the living world. Of all the planets known to man, the earth is only one which has living world. As you know children, only on the earth the living world is there, and the proportion of water is more than land. That way it's our duty. This is the Southern Ocean, the water body that extend from 60° S means south parallel to the coast of Antarctic continent is named as the Southern Ocean. This is the Southern Ocean. As this kind of pollution is going to be created by the man, so children, it's our duty that being a responsible person, we have to stop this kind of pollution and let the aquatic animals also live like us. I hope all of you understand this video children. Thank you very much for watching it.